Collaborate Mechanic here. Today we're working on a 2013 Duramax. Customer is complaining of reductant fluid quality, poor, message on the dash. Vehicle went into limp mode and reduced the speed to 25 miles an hour. So basically the customer wasn't able to drive the vehicle. He had the message on the dash for reductant fluid quality, and he also had a check engine light. So basically I'm going to tell you what we've done to this vehicle. I'm actually about to rerun the test and see if it actually fixed the problem, which we'll let you know later on in the video here. But I wanted to show you how we got the fluid quality message out of the dash and what other things we had to do to fix this Duramax. So we got the Tech 2 scan tool hooked up here, and we got a 2013 light duty truck. It's a Chevy. We're gonna go with K because four-wheel drive. Enter. It's a Silverado powertrain. We're gonna go to the 6.6 liter diesel. Manual transfer case, no. Engine control module. Now it also had some coolant temp codes and some NOx sensor codes. So I did clear them all out. We're gonna see what codes we still have. So this is a pretty multi-level diagnostic we did on this vehicle. He had numerous problems. We've addressed, thus far we've addressed the thermostat, which was causing issues with running the Regen, and it's probably going to still have, I'm guessing, a glow plug code and maybe an NOx code. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got a glow plug code. Alright, so we got two glow plug codes, and that's it at the moment. So what I did initially is I went into special functions, output controls, alright, and we went to reductant system, and we did the reductant fluid quality test. Alright, so it's got to wait till the exhaust gas temperature sensor 2 gets down to 90 degrees before we'll run this test. Now, I'm actually going to abort this test because I've actually already performed this test. And what happens a lot of times is, well, reductant fluid quality could mean that, a number of things could happen. It could have got diluted. The stuff does go bad. It could be old. And a lot of times I've also seen they get topped off with washer fluid by mistake, which I've actually seen a number of instances of. In this case, all we did is run the quality test, and it actually passed, and everything was working good on that side as far as that goes. And the reason for that, I'm suspecting, is I also did the injector quality test too, and what that does a lot of times is this stuff is very acidic, and it will crystallize on the back of the injector that actually sprays into the exhaust system, and they'll get plugged up, and then it will set these fluid quality test codes. So by running the test on the injector and the fluid, I believe what we did is we managed to clean out that injector. The system passes now, and the message on the dash went out. But what I noticed is our coolant temperature wasn't reaching temp, which right now I just started the vehicle, but yeah, it was only running at right now you can see quarter, and that's all it was running up to after I did the whole reductant quality test. So that should have been getting halfway. So we went ahead and put some thermostats in this, because without the temperature getting up to midway, the vehicle actually is not going to go into Regen. So we had to go ahead and replace the thermostats, and now I'm going to do a manual Regen. So It's and I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Reductant system. Alright, we're actually going to go back up here to Alright, we're right in here. DPF regeneration enable. Now there's some criteria that needs to be met before we can run this test, and one of them is coolant temperature, so that's why we replaced the thermostats. But I just go into here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit on, make this test start, and what it's gonna do is gonna run through a regen process once the criteria is met, and I will leave in the description below what exactly fixed this vehicle, if it was able to do a regen, and if the thermostat, along with the actual code numbers that this vehicle set. But thanks for watching. Just want to do a quick rundown of what we found on this, and like I said, I'll leave what the fix was in the video description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks.